We're on our way!
Yeah, to our new villain headquarters!
Who's ready to finish our plan and take over PJ Masks headquarters?
We are! Well, looky, what have we got here? The villains are the ones who finally get to cheer. We drop the PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do. We can't be stopped. Let us march. Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. Everybody on the floor. Let's march. 2, 3, 4.
We caught your little gecko, it was easy to do.
We're coming after Gekko and Alex too. We're the best, we're supreme. You know it's true.
We're taking over PJ Masks.
HQ. Up, 2, 3, 4. Tell me who we're marching for. The villains have. The villains have. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains. The villains. Let's march. Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. Let's everybody on the floor. Let's march. 2, 3, 4. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march.
Alexa, play Underwater Sun.
Here's Underwater Sun by SpongeBob SquarePants on Amazon Music.
Come with me to the land I love. It's not right here down the street or up above. It's down below in the deep.
Welcome to another exciting PJ Masks how to draw PJ Masks episode.
Down, to the bottom of the sea.
And tonight
Where our salt
we're gonna draw Octobella
waits for you and me.
from PJ Masks.
We'll have lots of fun. You and me forever in the underwater sun. We'll catch some
If you must know, Octobella is one of the main antagonists for PJ Masks.
can do a little dance. Karate chops and
She's half female and half octopus.
eat a Krabby Patty and boil
For some reason, she looks a little bit like a mermaid.
to the bottom of the sea. We'll hook up with SpongeBob and his snail Gary. Oh, we'll have lots of fun. You and me forever in the underwater sun. Underwater sun.
Alexa, play Bikini Bottom.
Bikini Bottom / Rock Bottom by SpongeBob, featuring Sandy and others on Amazon Music.
And for some reason, she has this vengeful. He has this vengeful gambit and plan against Gekko. As revenge, she wanted to get back at him for taking her pondweed. I don't know what she has against him. He didn't know it was hers. She should just let the past go. I know that octopus are saltwater animals, but how can a saltwater animal like Octobella breathe fresh water? I just know that moat is fresh water.
To where it's not
Now we draw the tentacles. These are her legs. This whole plan of hers, it's getting really old. I'm starting to think she's an actual immortal mermaid who's lived for thousands of years. If you ask me, this kid should go on vacation. Just like Matsuki. Alexa, play Ocean Man.
Here's Ocean Man by Lee on Amazon Music.
Like I've mentioned, I was gonna mention this earlier. Matsuki has Ultra Instinct. I bet that Octobella would be an awesome god of destruction. That would make her unstoppable. Say, who do you think would win in an actual battle? Ultra Instinct Matsuki or God of Destruction Octobella? You can decide in the comments below. Because I'm going to draw Matsuki real soon. That's a promise. And done! There are the tentacles. She even has tentacles for hair. And finished. That is how you draw Octobella. Oh yeah! And just not to be selfish, or should I say shellfish, Octobella has a pet lobster named Percival. Percy for short. Remind me I have to draw him next, just to not leave him left out. Anyway, that's how you draw Octobella. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next from PJ Masks. Stegosaurus, see you later!